Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Ninja Speedi Guinness Chocolate Cake. Now this is going to be made in a Ninja Speedi machine, so keep that in mind. It's a little different than the Ninja Foodie. And this is going to be perfect to make as we head into St. Patrick's Day. So the only thing you're going to need are these ingredients. You'll need a 15.25 ounce devil's cake mix, 3 eggs, third cup of oil, 1 1/3 cup of Guinness Beer, and then 2 cups of water for your Speedi. And then you would also need your favorite chocolate frosting. We like to add the gold sprinkles on top. They're the sugar sprinkles. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and prepare an 8-inch cake pan. We typically like to use a springform pan if we have one, but you want to make sure it will fit in your Ninja Speedi. So then you're going to go ahead and pour 2 cups of water into the Ninja Speedi cooking pot, which is the rectangular pot, and then place the crisper tray in the bottom position and set that all aside while you get your cake all prepared and ready to go. So go ahead and grab a mixing bowl, and then you can combine your cake mix, your eggs, oil, and beer, and whisk this until it's well combined, and then you're going to pour it into your prepared pan. So I'm just using a regular mixing bowl and a Danish dough whisk. That way it doesn't get stuck in a traditional whisk. This is definitely a better option if you do it by hand, or you can do it in a stand mixer or with an electric mixer too. So I've got it all mixed up here, and then I'm just pouring it into the pan. Now the pan I usually use is one that I bought with the Ninja Foodie, but you can use any cake pan that fits your Ninja Speedi. So now you're going to place this into your Ninja Speedi. You're placing the whole pan in there, and you're going to set it to rapid cook, and then you're going to steam and bake this at 315 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 minutes. So I have that all in here now, and you're seeing the picture after I've opened it, but I've got all of that in, and then you're going to just close the lid and let that cook. Now, whenever you're ready to open it and the timer has gone off, you need to remember that it is going to be hot and there is going to be steam when you open the lid, so be very careful opening it. And then if you poke the center with a toothpick and it comes out clean, it's done. If it is not, then you want to add about 2 to 3 minutes to that cooking time and let it cook just a few more minutes. When it is ready, go ahead and let the cake cool in the pan for a few minutes before removing it from the Ninja Speedi and releasing it. And then you can place it on a cooling rack to fully cool before you frost it. So now ours is cooled, and I'm going to go ahead and frost this. So I'm just using chocolate frosting, and then like I said earlier, we like to use the gold sugar sprinkles. And this is just a fun cake to make. You can make it any time of the year, but it is really great for St. Patrick's Day because it has the Guinness beer that you find typically in Ireland. So this is how it looks all done and ready to serve. This is Ninja Speedi Guinness Chocolate Cake or Ninja Speedi Chocolate Cake. You can do it either way. And you can find this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. I'm going to have that recipe there, and then I also have tons of Ninja Foodie recipes as well. Be sure to like and subscribe so you do not miss the next video. Thanks for tuning in today.